Hey guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. Today I have the 2018 Mercedes AMG E63S. Set the dynamic select option. I'm gonna set it to sport. Right off the bat, the engine comes alive, and you can see how impressive that sounds on this E-Class. The E63 features a 4-liter V8 biturbo engine, and it produces 603 horsepower with 627 pound-feet of torque. This is the last V8 you'll see on the E63S, but this is a good sounding engine. Power delivery is fantastic. This is a pre-owned E-Class E63S. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the exterior features, the interior, and also listen to the sound of the engine. This E63S has about 9,000 miles and retails for about $92,000. It's got low mileage. That's a good deal. All right, if you want to see more info or get some more details on the car, check out the video description. I'll leave a link and the number to call to get this E63S. Let's start with the front look of this E-Class. It's got very aggressive front splitter with the larger intakes on either side. The air intakes have the black accents with the horizontal fins right here. The lower lip features this chrome piece right here. Very aggressive front-facing camera underneath the Mercedes star, which has your active distance electronic systems. Mercedes plaque sits on the hood. The exterior color is white. On the interior, macchiato beige, multi-beam LED lamps with two eyebrows, one at the center, one on top. Has the very large bulb at the center. These offer you adaptive high beam assist, which means you're not going to blind the drivers ahead of you. These are intelligent lights. Love the Mercedes inscription right here. And look at the design, guys. Aggressive look at the front. I like the high gloss black element right here. A number of sensors are the center of the front section here. Twin bar finish in chrome with the vertical slats on the inside gives it a very aggressive look. Power domes on the hood of the E63 gives it a very aggressive and masculine look. Side perspective, V8 biturbo badging on the side here. The 4MATIC Plus simply means this powertrain can send up to 100% of power to your rear wheels to make this a rear-wheel drive, depending on the driving conditions. That's why it's a 4MATIC Plus, rather the 4MATIC Plus system on this E63S. In addition to the lack of AMG Night package, notice the badging. It still has a chrome finish. If this had the Night package, this chrome piece will be completely blacked out. Stepping back here, chrome door handles, aggressive lines on the side here. It doesn't have the AMG Night package. If it did, all these sections will be blacked out with the high gloss black element. However, it has chrome pieces. The roof, full panoramic glass on the top. Let's look at the tires here. P0 Pirelli tires, twin 5-spoke rims, finish in gunmetal gray. The front discs perforated as well as slotted. 6 piston brake calipers. I love how these look. The tire has a very small profile. Size on these is 265/35 R20. 20-inch rims at the front. Let's go to the back. Size on the rears, 295/30 R20. The rears are slightly wider. Same profile as the front. Perforated as well as slotted brakes with the red brake calipers. Twin 5-spoke rims, gunmetal gray. And I think this thing looks stunning from this perspective. Let's take a look at the rear. LED light package on the rear, E63S badging on the right hand side, Mercedes star at the center, AMG on the left hand side, rear diffuser, very aggressive chrome tailpipes. These are fully functional on either side. Finish in high gloss black around here. If this had the night package, you'd have black chrome, but this is just no night package, so these are just chrome exposed. Very aggressive look. Chrome element right here. Let's take a look at the trunk space. Bunch of floor mats right here, AMG floor mats. Electronic trunk close. And I love this look on the rear. The other perspective, we've looked at that. Chrome door handles, very unique design. Rear seating. Here is the macchiato beige at the center. Cup holders tucked away right here. Now let's take a look at the front perspective. Has this giant 12-inch display on either side. The leather inside is synthetic leather. This is MB Tex, is not raw leather, but it's very easy maintenance. The seats, headrests, very comfortable. A Falterbach insignia on either of those, AMG branding right here. Very comfortable seats. I suspect these have massage as well as contour features, simply because they're very thick on the side here. Center console, storage, USB-C ports inside here. Center console right here, black piano lacquer trim. It is a fingerprint as well as scratch magnet. However, 64 colors ambient lighting all throughout this cabin.
It's a great little car, but
the AMG Performance steering wheel is finished in Alcantara and leather at the top. Flat bottom design. Doesn't have AMG Drive Units on either side, but they have touch controls on the steering wheel. Very good quality with the AMG branding right here. Display is very vibrant, as I mentioned before, and the lighting flows underneath. AMG insignia right through here. Center section, cup holders, NFC wireless charging. Always love this clock. Climate control systems will be down here. Navigation, radio, media. I'll turn the car on so we can take a look at the infotainment system. The rear seats, quite spacious in the back. You might be surprised. Storage as well on either side right here. Love everything about this E63S. On top here, panorama glass for night sky, accessories, reading lights. Good. Driver's perspective, memory seating 1, 2, 3. Thigh support right here. Burmester Hines speaker system, heated, cooled, as well as ventilated seats. You gotta have that on your E-Class. Good quality controls right here. Love the leather black stitching as well. Upper dash wood trim. Let's take a look at the infotainment system. Navigation, radio, media, phone, connect, vehicle and system. Let's go into the system menu. I'll change the designs and display to the sport look, and that's the sport look. Let's go back one level. Go back one step. Input audio connectivity command as well. Let's look at the vehicle settings. Massage seats are here as well. As I mentioned before, driver's seat as well as passenger seat. You can activate your massage right through this menu. Dynamic select options are right here. Individual configuration, vehicle data, which means if I step on the gas, you're able to see some metrics on the car right here. Go back one level. Let's go to the engine data. Pretty cool feature on your E63S. Oil as well as transmission temperature, pound-feet of torque, and your horsepower from the car. Set the dynamic select option. I'm gonna set it to sport. Right off the bat, the engine sounds comes alive, and you can see how impressive that sounds on this E-Class. I'm going to turn it off to conserve the fuel. All in all, very aggressive car. I think this will be the last E63S we'll see in the market. Just wanted to show you guys a brief. Let's jump to the front and take a look at the engine. The E63 features a 4-liter V8 biturbo engine, and it produces 603 horsepower with 627 pound-feet of torque. This is the last V8 you'll see on the E63S, at least until Mercedes changes their minds. But this is a good sounding engine. Power delivery is fantastic. One man, one engine. Martin Hoffman built this by hand, and guarantee it sounds impressive. 0 to 60 time on this E63S is 3.3 seconds. That is actually supercar territory on this E-Class. Astounding for such a long sedan, and it's one of the fastest AMGs by Mercedes-Benz. All right, guys, let's listen to the sound from the engine. And that's a quick look at the E63S 2018 model. If you want to get this V8, check out the video description for more info on the car and the number to call. Until next time, guys, stay positive, but test negative. Peace.